week 8 of the 12 fiber gifts of Christmas. You survived Thanksgiving, and it's now almost December. This means you got like 3 weeks, sort of, to get all of this done. We here at the Woolery are here to help you with that. This week's fiber gift is an excellent tool for any weaver. It is, ta-da, the Ashford Tapestry Beater. This is a hefty, solid weaving tool. It is sturdy, and you're not going to break it or bend it or anything else. It is made from silver beech hardwood, and it is really just sturdy. That's the best word I can think of to describe it. It's excellent for any kind of weaving that you want to do on your rigid heddle loom or your tapestry loom. This will get the job done. It's on sale. It's $23.35, very specific, and is really a tool that you can use and use and use, and you'll be glad that you have it after you buy it. That's it. Get ready for the downward slope into Christmas. We'll be right here with you the whole way, helping you think of gifts and ideas and answering your questions, and we're going to handhold you and get you through this. We're all in it together. Happy week 8.